to my channel. Today we're going to make homemade Play-Doh. The ingredients you will need to make this homemade Play-Doh is flour, salt, food coloring. This food coloring is optional. You could use it if you want to, but if you don't want to use it, then you could just leave it. And glycerine. Glycerine is the secret to make the Play-Doh stretch. That's why we're using it. And we're also going to use this Cake Boss cookie cutter to pretend I'm cooking and to decorate the Play-Doh. And the last thing, we're going to use oil to stick the Play-Doh off the board. And the last thing we're going to use is warm water. And guess what? You don't have to buy Play-Doh from the store. You could just go into your mother's kitchen and then get the permission you need to make the Play-Doh with your mother's stuff, and then play with it whenever you want to. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and kindly like my videos and hit all notification buttons and share my videos to see the uploads of them. It's going to be so much fun! Now I have 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of glycerine, 1 tablespoon of oil, and my food coloring, red, because I like it. Now it's mixing time! Now we're going to start with the flour. I'm going to pour in the flour, like that. And now I think we're going to pour in the salt like this, yeah. Mix it a little bit. And now we're going to pour in the glycerine, like that. And now we're going to pour in the oil. Like, now we're gonna mix and mix and mix. And now we're going to pour in the red food coloring. 1 drop, some more drops. And now we're gonna mix it in. It's turning red. I'm gonna more food coloring. Ooh, more. It's gonna be so red. It's red and it's good. Now it looks like pink. I like the color pink. Ooh. And now we're gonna dump. Ooh, it's turning the color of cotton candy. I love cotton candy. I'm gonna keep it this way. Ooh, I love it so much. I think it's too soft now, so I'm gonna add some flour. Just sprinkle some flour inside, and then mixing it. It smells like cake. I really wish I could just put it into the oven and eat it, but it's not cake, it's Play-Doh. Ooh, I love this color. It looks so pink. I want to keep it that way. The Play-Doh, they should make a pink factory Play-Doh. That would be the best Play-Doh ever. Ew, it's cool. It's kneading time. Now I'm gonna put it on the board and then start kneading. Ooh, you're gonna make it smooth. Ooh. Here, and then Ooh, this is so nice. I love doing this. Whoa, it's sticking to my hands a little bit, but it's fine. It's Play-Doh. Ha! Ooh, my Play-Doh is so big. It's gonna be the best Play-Doh in the whole wide world. And it's also pink, my favorite color. Ooh, I love my Play-Doh. Don't you like my Play-Doh? It's a pink Play-Doh. The best kind of Play-Doh in the world. Yeah. Ooh, look at my snowman. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna dig it inside. I want to put it into this Anna thingy. Okay, and then put it in the other space. Ooh, yeah, that's cool. Oh, yeah. That's good. Yeah. It really. Ooh, it still smells like cake. Ah, it smells like cake so much. I just love the smell of that cake. Ooh, look, it kind of looks like an ice cream scoop. Yum, 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 yum. I'm not actually eating it. Oh, does Anna want to eat it? She does. Here you go. Ooh, I have an idea. I can make a face mask for her. I'll just open the eyes and mouth. Like that. Oh. It's kind of hard making a face mask with Play-Doh, but this Play-Doh is so much fun. It's even more fun because it's pink. Ooh. Oh, I want to color her dress pink. I think the pink is the best color ever. I don't really want her dress to be purple. Ooh, look at what this can make. Ooh, just press it. Press. Ooh, oh, a Christmas tree. I'm gonna try this one. Press. Ooh, reindeer. Snowman. Ooh. And last but not least, the candy cane. There should be this thing about a present because presents come on Christmas. Yeah, and also Santa. Where's Santa and where's the presents? Well, I still like these stamps. Ooh, just take it off the thing. Ooh. Oh, we're gonna miss Anna with it. Ooh. Ooh, I love my Play-Doh. I hope you do too. I don't think anybody can love their Play-Doh more than I do. Ooh, I really love this Play-Doh. Ooh, what's that sticking here? Is that the cotton candy stick? No, it's Anna. Ooh. Oh, that makes me a good idea. I named this cotton candy Play-Doh Emma Katie. Well, I want to make it in the shape of cotton candy, and this could be the stick. And let it go stick. And now the stick. Ooh. And now I'm just gonna shape it as cotton candy, just popping everywhere. That's great cotton candy. I'm gonna eat it. Yum, yum, yum. I'm not actually eating it. Yum. Ooh. We're gonna slice the cotton candy. I love playing with my Play-Doh. I'm gonna play with this all day. Ooh, this knife can't slice this Play-Doh. This cotton candy, I mean. Oh. Tell me if you like your Play-Doh in the comments, because I definitely love my Play-Doh. Ooh. Put it together. Take out the extras. Make sure when you're done playing, you put this in a Ziploc bag because you don't want it to dry out on the first day. But for me, I'm gonna keep on playing with this all day. Make sure you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and hit all notification buttons and share my videos to see the uploads. hope you like your Play-Doh.